Hey eco friends! It's almost springtime and that means that we have some beautiful spring veggies to look forward to. Today I'm making some spicy asparagus and white bean soup, but with a lot less waste than other recipes. Most people say that you have to snap the asparagus and wherever it breaks, that's the tender portion separating from the fibrous portion. But that's just so not true. A lot more of it is in fact edible. So we're just gonna chop this up. And by the way, if it's a little too fibrous to cut through, then you don't have to include that portion. So this bunch seemed perfectly fine, so I just cut through all of them. So in your Instant Pot on saute mode, or in a regular pot on medium flame, drizzle in the olive oil. Throw in your onions, garlic, and a sprinkle of salt, jalapeno, bay leaves. Saute for about 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Now put in your asparagus. And your concentrated broth, the beans, stir to combine. Close the lid and cook on the manual setting at a high pressure for about 10 minutes, or in a regular pot, cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium-low, stirring occasionally. Perform a quick release. The asparagus should be tender, so throw in the spinach and let it wilt. I'm using spinach here because I love the extra punch of veggies, the extra punch of green in there. I don't see why not. So I'm just adding that in there. Now blend everything with an immersion blender or transfer in batches to a normal blender. Blend until smooth, and then strain through a fine mesh. You can compost the fibrous portion. The end result will be a super silky and smooth soup. Bowl it up and garnish with some more jalapeno or some steamed asparagus. That's all for now. Bye!